Hi guys, welcome back. This is Chef Jana here. This is the first episode of the cooking tips, and in this episode I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the burning smell and taste whenever you burn your rice. You know when you make that perfect, amazing, fluffy rice?
What? No!
So I'm going to show you how you get rid of that horrible taste and smell. So there's two tips that I'm going to share with you guys. So the first thing you do is you open the lid and let the rice breathe. And the first tip is you add a raw onion, any kind of onion you have. You scrape the rice, careful not to touch the bottom because the bottom is the critical part. So you insert the onions just like so and distribute it around the rice, cover them up and let them sit. And then you place your pot in a cold water or running water for about 5 minutes. It's very important that the pot is uncovered. And then you remove the onions one by one. You can still reuse the onions if you want, they're perfectly fine. And I promise you that the rice is not gonna taste like onions at all. You can use both techniques separately or combine them together for better results. You just flavor your rice. It will taste amazing if you add some herbs or olive oil because it depends on how much it burned. It might have a little bit of that burn taste, so flavoring will be perfect. And here we have our perfectly, well, now recovered, fluffy, amazing rice. Enjoy! How about that? Easy, isn't it? So how about sharing this video with all your friends, because this is a very useful tip. I would love to know that, and so much so that I know and I share with you guys. And don't forget to share, like I said, subscribe and like this video so you guys help the channel to grow. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.